One day, all schools will teach this way. And just 1,411 left. Save our tigers, an SL initiative.
Hello and welcome to another brand new edition of Tech Toys with Suresh and me.
Ankit, the question that has perplexed, that has vexed, that has confounded philosophers since the dawn of time is a simple question.
Which is?
To upgrade or not to upgrade? Should I stick with my current technology or should I go for the fancier, newer, slicker model?
Absolutely.
Right? So that's the question we're asking on this episode.
Absolutely. Brand new smartphones, brand new computers. And in fact, one gadget, Suresh, last week brought this entire complex argument to the forefront. And that is,
of course, the iPad.
Apple's iPad.
So should you dump your desktop and your laptop and your iPhone and get an iPad or not?
I don't know about dumping all of those, Suresh, but if there was a queue in front of an Apple store to get the iPad, I think I'd be the first one.
Okay, Ankit, question for you. Without any additional information, would you put down $500, 25,000 rupees to buy an iPad with no further information?
500%.
500%?
500%.
So would I. So if you're wondering whether to buy the iPad or not when it releases in India, we'd say take the risk and buy it. But remember, for all of you who've been writing, tweeting, asking, you cannot make phone calls on the iPad for two reasons. A, you look like a moron with a giant looking phone, and B, it doesn't have phone abilities. So all you'll do is dial and wait for hours and it won't connect to anybody.
But Suresh, you know what? Rumors of version 2 of the iPad are already doing rounds in Gogosphere. And this might be a rumored 15-inch device. And who knows, you might just be able to make calls.
But before all that, take a quick look at what we have on the show today.
3 new smartphones are in the stores. Exactly how smart are they? We find out.
Are you a globe-trotting, planet-hopping, jet-setting stud muffin? We give you the ultimate gadgets for the upwardly mobile.
And Shruti shows you how to be a player, media player.
Ankit, the other hot tech rumor doing the blogosphere this week is the rumored Google Pad. What have you heard about it?
The new Google tablet PC, which will be powered by Chrome operating system, which is basically going to put all software
Which
in
sits on the cloud and nowhere near you.
Exactly, Suresh. So it might be called Chromium. It might be a 10 to 11-inch device. Details are really thin at this point in time.
We could call it Chrome Pet, which is a suburb in Chennai.
Chrome Pet?
Chrome Pet.
So it's like the bedrock village of all Chrome devices.
It's a little pet Chrome. It's called a Chrome Pet. So if you live in Chennai and you live in Chrome Pet, get yourself a Chrome
But
tablet.
Suresh, tablet PCs are definitely one gadget that you have to upgrade.
So Ankit, you're saying that 2010 is the year of the tablet. We all should be popping pills this year?
All the way. Popping tablets, Suresh. In fact, 2009 was the year of netbooks. 2010 is the year of tablet PCs.
Right, that's the year to come.
Yeah.
But what's already here are 3 brand new phones.
Sequels.
3 sequels to phones.
Yeah.
The question is, should you upgrade from your current clunky phone to this brand new phones or not? Shruti has the answers.
Now we all know about parental pressure, peer pressure, pressure at work, pressure everywhere. And especially if you're out there buying a new phone, you know what I'm talking about. Picture this, you're in that shop, you've just bought a new phone, you've just swiped your card, you're about to sign on that dotted line and bam! In comes the dreaded sequel, the heartbreak, the next version. 3 phones that set the expectation mighty high for its users and 3 phones with their respective sequels. The HTC HD2, the BlackBerry Bold 2 and the Nokia E72. The question here is to upgrade or not to upgrade. That's what we're going to help you answer to make that right call.
Nokia set the bar for business phones with the E71 and now it has big shoes to fill with the launch of the E72. On the surface, both phones look exactly the same, but what sets the E72 apart are its features. The Nokia E72 comes with the latest version of Symbian operating system, version 9.3, and that little thumb thing that makes this one special, a trackpad that makes navigation a breeze with just the thumb. The E-series has gone all out to make life easy. The included 3.5mm jack for 1 makes listening to music from the Nokia Music Store just so much more fun without the hassle of proprietary cables. Whoever said you can't mix work and fun hadn't laid hands on the E72 because preloaded on this one is Facebook, MySpace and YouTube applications. You can also download applications like Twitter from the OV Store absolutely free. But what's new about the E72? A 5-megapixel camera, optical navigation key, improved battery life, accelerometer and a digital compass. All this crammed into this super sleek slender body. Priced at 23,000 bucks, the E72 gets a definite thumbs up from us.
The Nokia E71 was a love affair that will go down in history. A business user's perfect match. If you already own the E71 though, I suggest you not upgrade to the E72 for that extra 5,000 bucks. If you're looking for love that will last, then look no further than the Nokia E72. Now if you're one who looks down on the N-series fanatics and feel proud to be a Crackberry instead, then the BlackBerry Bold 2 might just be what you're looking for.
If you thought the BlackBerry Bold created a bold statement, then you haven't seen the sleeker and more stylish avatar of the 9000, the BlackBerry Bold 9700. With the trademark full QWERTY keypad of the BlackBerry, what makes the Bold 2 stand out is the included optical trackpad and a 3.2 megapixel camera. Apart from that, BlackBerry packs in the same old, Wi-Fi, 3G, Bluetooth, GPS and a 480 by 320 pixel screen resolution. So should you take the plunge and buy the Bold 2?
My answer sadly is going to be another no. A 30 plus price tag for just an optical trackpad and a camera, I'd say it's not worth it. But before you think I'm all too critical, one upgrade I totally recommend is the HTC HD 2.
If you have a monstrous appetite for music and multimedia and the HTC HD Touch just didn't do it for you and you've been waiting for something bigger, better and meaner, the HTC HD 2 should satiate that appetite of yours. With a gorgeous 4.3-inch TFT touchscreen, a 5 megapixel camera with a dual LED flash, an easy and fluid user interface and plenty of connectivity options, the HTC HD 2 is one phone you'll be dying to get a hold of. The HTC HD also comes packed with a blazing fast 1 GHz processor and runs on Windows 6.5 professional operating system. If you're a business user looking for a little productive fun, the HTC HD is just for you.
History repeats itself and so do sequels. And in the world of gadgets, just like with the movies, there's nothing better than waiting for part 2 to satisfy every imaginable fantasy of yours. With gadgets, however, sequels rarely work, like the E72 and the BlackBerry Bold 2 for instance. Which brings me to the question, is there ever a thing as happily ever after with technology? I guess not, because there's something always better right around the corner, tailor-made for you.
So Ankit, the most interesting recommendation in that story is Shruti's recommendation not to buy the Bold 2.
Yeah.
She says if you own a Bold 1, no point upgrading.
Absolutely.
But if you don't own any BlackBerry, go directly to the Bold 2.
Absolutely.
Something you agree with?
I totally agree with that, Suresh. It's a phone which is put together, I would say, the last 5 handsets made by RIM.
So all the best BlackBerry technologies are in the Bold 2.
All-encompassing
Except if you own a Bold 1, stick with the Bold 1.
You're already bold and beautiful then.
Right? Ankit, the interesting question is what happens when BlackBerry comes out with a tablet?
That'll be very cool,
That'll
Suresh.
be fantastic. With their email
I think
capabilities.
it's natural progression.
But the one downside is that BlackBerry and Touch have a dodgy history with
the show press technology.
the show press technology
storm.
is not really working for them.
Yeah,
so if BlackBerry imports HTC or iPod's Touch technology, embeds it in a BlackBerry, they'll have a killer tablet platform.
Absolutely, absolutely. But that is something we obviously have to just wish and wait and watch for.
So BlackBerry management, if you're listening to this and you manufacture it, 10% of all royalties we are happy with.
Miss Prenny Baba, I hope you're noting this down.
We're also happy to take a break right now.
Yeah.
And we'll come back after that.
Come right back.
You're late.
I'm not. Where are you?
Behind you. Aren't you coming?
Shouldn't I?
Shouldn't you? Romance at the Leela Palace, Udaipur.
We are in a high-growth economic environment, boosted by the recent political stability. It makes sense to own a piece of Indian business. Investors need not predict the Sensex for tomorrow and the next week. Supports and resistance will not help you to create wealth. Be a value investor. Equity Intelligence, a tradition of value investing.
Muesli Power Extra, सारे परिवार के लिए एक अतीक शक्ति.
100% herbal
प्योर आयुर्वेदिक, नो साइड इफेक्ट्स, मैं गारंटी दे रहा हूँ।
Wouldn't you like it if your bank account were like a supermarket, giving you everything? Internet banking, free ATM use at any bank, mobile banking, demat accounts, personal accident insurance, multi-city checks, SMS alerts, online payments and much more. Besides a healthy interest, bank with Indian Overseas Bank. Enjoy the supermarket experience.
हमें 10 मिनट देकर कुछ 50,000 लोगों का बिजनेस बढ़ा है। इन्फो मीडिया येलो पेजेस। आप भी आज ही SMS कीजिए YP 51818 पर।
अरे मेरी टाइल्स कहाँ है? अंडा यहाँ। ये क्या पागलपन? मेरी टैक्स फाइल, हर चीज इधर उधर।
आप भी अपने बच्चे को दीजिए एक स्पेशल सरप्राइज। पेश है भारती एक्सा लाइफ ब्राइट स्टार्स प्लस, जो फंड वैल्यू पर दिलाए 7% का सरप्राइज जंप स्टार्ट बोनस। भारती एक्सा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस।
The stunning new range of Samsung side-by-side refrigerators, designed with the unique twin cooling system that keeps your food fresh for longer. Samsung, fresh is beautiful.
है ICICIdirect.com का पावर बैक ट्रेडिंग टर्मिनल ट्रेड रेसर। अब पावर बैक ट्रेडिंग के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। ICICIdirect.com। For more details, SMS speed to 5676766।